a card. I don't know what that card says, do I? Right. That's not showing me your warrant card. That's just flashing. I could do that. I could pull anything out of my pocket and be like, oh, I'm a cop. There you go. There's my warrant card.
Told you my name. Told you my phone number.
Yes then guys, so PTTP is here, still in London, and a bit of a late order, it's like nearly 7 o'clock, so I don't know what to get out of this, but we are here at the Embassy of the United States of America. Obviously they have their First Amendment, they do a lot of 1A auditing over in the US, so in theory, they should know what the score is. No swimming sign there. But yeah, it's a cool building. I like it. And we're going to go take a gander, see what we can see. Pretty cool. They've got like a little waterfall. Beautiful building, really cool design for any fans of architecture and stuff like that on my channel. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, that's really cool. And this is I don't know what you can see from here, but that's a really cool design that they've got on the front of the building there. So it's actually, I've got police here, which is mad. So, well, that's a low-flying plane. Yeah, it's just a bit of a mad building. I don't know why I'm saying mad a lot today. Maybe it's because I'm in London, just getting like that London vibe. I don't know. Yeah, wow, what building. So I don't think you can actually get through to the main building of the embassy without going through like by those police officers there. I don't think there's like any other access, but I mean it's not very secure. I mean you got like these benches you just hop up onto that wall and jump over if you really wanted to. Yeah, wow. Beautiful. So I did have the...
Notice this, folks. Despite high walls and armed guards, the perimeter feels almost casual. This is exactly why situational awareness matters. How would you feel filming here if you were being watched like this? Drop your thoughts below. Would you stand your ground or step back? Here's the kicker. In the UK, a regular citizen doesn't have to show ID unless under arrest or a specific statutory requirement. Yet the officer insists. This moment perfectly captures how authority can clash with civil liberties. Have you ever had an encounter like this? Share your story in the comments.
What are you filming?
Well, what's it look like I'm filming?
Obviously, you can't film it now.
Well, why not? It's open, isn't it? If you don't want to film, put a big old fence up. That's so close, that's a bit rude. But yeah, if you don't want to film, just put a big old fence up, don't you?
What are you here for?
Well, what does it look like I'm here for?
I don't know, you haven't said.
What does it look like I'm here for?
I don't know. Could be here for anything, couldn't you?
Oh, it could be.
Get a visa?
Pardon?
You here for a visa?
No, I'm not American. I don't sound American, do I? I think I've got quite a British accent.
Yeah, that's why you need a visa.
What for? What to go in there? What?
No, to go to America.
Oh, right. So this is where you come to get visas to go to America?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I thought you meant like this is where they had to come like renew visas and stuff.
No.
No.
Right.
Okay. No, I'm all good. Yeah. So, no. As I said when you came out, no, I don't need any help. Thank you. What's PADP?
It's the department we work for.
Which stands for what? Passport and something?
Parliamentary and diplomatic protection.
Ah, okay, there we go, cool. Not heard that one before, so yeah, it's new for me. Yeah, no, I'm good.
Cool.
Yeah, alrighty. Just, can you identify yourselves for me, guys?
No.
No?
2649.
2649, thank you, that's how it's supposed to be done. What if I can't read?
Sorry, it's fine.
No, it's not. You've interacted with me as a member of the public. You're You're a UK police officer. You have to identify. Section 42 of the Police Reform Act. So identify, please.
Okay.
Verbally announce your identification. I can't read.
What's there?
I can't verbally identify.
So to be fair...
Verbally, I don't know. I'm done with you. You've identified. Thank you. Verbally identify.
Why?
Because it's your policy, and under Section 42 of the Police Reform Act, you are required to.
What's that?
I can't read.
Okay.
So, identify verbally, please, as per your policy.
Yeah.
You're an absolute knob, aren't you? Identify.
Sorry?
Said identify.
Identify. That's it. You can get it on camera.
There we go, guys. So that's an IOPC complaint for knob 1.
Okay.
So, either of you recording me right now?
I am, sir.
You are, thank you. Are you recording me?
Here begins the friction. The officers request identification, which in the UK, a citizen is generally not obligated to provide unless under arrest or a specific statutory requirement triggers it. The officer claims he verbally identified, yet the auditor insists on seeing a physical warrant card. This creates an immediate stalemate. Watch how the officer's inability to de-escalate or provide a clear legal basis for the stop frustrates the auditor, leading to a refusal to engage.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. So again, in line with your policies, why did you not notify me that when you started recording me?
Because you haven't let me have a chance to speak.
You could have started the conversation with "Good afternoon, sir," just to let you know I'm recording you. There's no reason you couldn't have.
Sir, can I speak?
Yes.
It's our job to protect this embassy
Sure.
and the people within it. You've come up and started filming an area which is obviously slightly sensitive. So I've asked you what you were doing.
Okay.
You then haven't given me a chance to even interact with me. When I tried to ask you before, you interrupted me.
Okay. Again, there's no reason you couldn't have started the conversation when you first approached. By the way, I'm recording you. The first, most practicable
Fair
opportunity.
enough. Okay, but at the same time, when I asked you what you're doing, you also could have explained to me what you are doing.
Yes, but I'm not under any policy or any obligation to answer any of your questions, am I?
Are you trying to get some kind of reaction here? Is that what you're trying to do?
No, I wanted to be left alone. If you're going to come to me and like stand around,
This is where we're
with
based,
guns-
sir.
yeah, that's fine. Then stay where you're based in your hut. Like I haven't walked through there. Which, by the way, there's nothing stopping me other than this guy right now in the way. But other than that, there's nothing there to stop anybody from walking in.
You're right, private premises, isn't it?
Well, is there any signage saying private premises? No trespassing. Is there a gate there? Is there a fence there?
There's a gate there.
I don't see it. There's no gate there. Okay. Again, just go away. Go back to your little huts. Let me carry on with my business.
This is where we're based, sir.
Pardon?
This is where we're based.
What, right there on the pavement?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
So area.
Fair enough. Alrighty.
Anything else?
Nope. Apart from just so you know, you're going to get an IOPC complaint.
Okay.
Yep. Got a take a picture there of your face. Got your shoulder number on camera. Refusing to follow your policies. At least he follows his policy and verbally identifies.
Okay. Anything else we can help with today?
Yeah, you can bugger off.
Well, like I said, sir, this is our posting, so we're not actually
Okay, cool. As I was saying, guys.
This is critical. The officer claims terrorism suspicion under Section 43, but he wants to see the phone first, not secure the person. That's a tactical red flag. If this were a genuine threat, searching the phone before the individual is a serious lapse in protocol. Look at this glaring inconsistency. Suspected terrorist? Sure, but reaching into his pockets for a vape without a body search? That's not just sloppy, it undermines the credibility of the entire stop. Think about it. Would you trust an officer who skips the basics?
You asked what you're filming for. So you won't be able to take any photos in there. It's obviously sensitive in there. So I'll ask you to leave.
What does it look like I'm doing? I already have. Too late for that. Too late to tell me that now. Until you identify, you have absolutely no power, so
Well,
you can jog on.
okay.
Trying to give me directives, you don't even identify who you are.
Is there a reason why you're filming in there?
Because that's what I want to film.
Okay, is there any reason why you are?
You'd think after the whole Wayne Couzens incident, you'd be following your Met Commissioner's advice, really, wouldn't you, on identifying? Have you got a warrant card on you?
Yes.
Can I see your warrant card, please?
See it?
Yes, please. Thank you.
There you go. BC Wilson 2905.
Well, that's not showing me. That's flashing a card. I don't know what that card says, do I?
Well,
That's not showing me your warrant card. That's just flashing. I could do that. I could pull anything out of my pocket and be like, oh, I'm a cop. There you go. There's my warrant card.
Told you my name, told you my phone number.
There you go. Finally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else we can help you today?
Nope. Do your job properly.
Right, there's no reason for you to be filming what you're filming. You're filming sensitive property in there. Okay.
Well, if it's sensitive, I would highly recommend not having big glass windows from a public footpath.
Okay, you come up
that
here,
would be a
you've
bit
gone to
stupid,
film
wouldn't it?
behind the wall.
Tension spikes as the auditor demands to see a warrant card properly rather than just a quick flash. In the UK, uniformed officers should typically produce this upon request to prove their identity. The officer continues to rely on the sensitive area argument, but without a specific law prohibiting photography from a public place, his directives appear legally weak. The auditor stands his ground, challenging the officer's authority to move him along, creating a standoff.
Well, it's just keep moving on. There's nothing else to film here.
You can suggest what you like.
Okay.
Am I detained?
At the moment, no.
Well, then if I'm not detained, I'm free to go, then I'm free to stay, aren't I? So don't tell me to move.
What do they say already?
You're funny. That's very cute.
Why's that?
Why would I give you ID?
Prove who you are. Obviously, come up to
What do you
us.
mean prove who I am?
At the moment, you can be detained in Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Obviously, you're filming sensitive areas.
You're detaining me under Section 43.
You've got anything on your phone that...
Okay, what are your grounds for the detainment and search?
You come up to us, you come around to film behind sensitive areas of the embassy, filming the cameras up there, coming in here. Obviously, there's no need for you to come approach us and try and get around the gate.
Then try and get around the gate.
Okay. If you've got anything on your phone that we can have a look at.
I mean, you're the one that's doing the detaining and searching.
So my name's PC and Wilson. I'm attached to Lily Road Police Station. So I might be detained Section 43 Terrorism Act. Obviously, reasons given you, filming sensitive areas, filming the cameras, filming behind here. There's no reason for you to come up to us.
What is it? So under Section 43, you've declared your grounds, which I think are wrong. I'm going to state that now.
Okay.
Okay. So, according to your own memo from the National Police Chiefs Council, filming is not grounds for Section 43, but that's fine. We'll come round to that in court. Secondly, what is it that you expect to find under Section 43 in this search? That's the other part that you have to announce to me. So let's go through
on
that.
Your phone that might sort of prelude that you.
Okay, such as
sensitive photos of the embassy, cameras, CCTV. Obviously, I can look. Got powers to look through your phone. Can't delete anything.
Nope.
Just have a look through your phone to see if there is anything.
Okay.
On the embassy that we wouldn't expect to find.
Okay.
Sort of coming over to the area. Okay.
So you're going to be the one performing the search.
No. You can show me on your phone.
So that's what you want to see, is you want to see the footage on my phone.
This is the critical escalation. The officer detains the auditor under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. This power requires reasonable suspicion that the person is a terrorist. However, notice the officer's focus. He wants to see the phone's gallery. This suggests the suspicion is based on the act of photography itself, which guidance often states is not sufficient grounds alone for a terrorism stop. We are about to see if the search procedure matches the severity of the accusation. Coming up, the officer makes a massive tactical error that completely undermines his own terrorism claim. Watch closely what he ignores during the search.
Same thing you've been taken through here.
Right, okay. Right, so both of you are recording, yeah? Cool, brilliant, lovely. Right guys, I'm going to have to stop recording because I am detained, so I lawfully have to show them, and we'll deal with this in court. I shall pick it back up afterwards. There we go guys, so he's filling out the search slip right now. He decided he wanted to search my phone, hasn't searched my person. You'd think if a cop thought you're a terrorist, genuinely thought you're a terrorist and wanted to use Section 43 because he thinks you're a terrorist or suspects you might be, he would search your person to make sure you haven't got anything on you that could harm him before he, while he goes through your phone. But no, he just wanted to look at some footage. That's all he wanted to look at. And then when I asked him if I can put my hand in my pocket to get my vape out, bear in mind my person has not been searched, he said, yeah, that's fine. Do you think that sounds like somebody who genuinely suspects me of being a terrorist, or do you think that's a tyrant and a knob who's just going to abuse his powers? Do you know what misfeasance in public offices? Do you know that's a life imprisonment? Yeah. Misfeasance in public office. So, IOPC complaint for him, because these two came along. He verbally announced, he didn't, their identity. Nobody notified me that they're recording me. I had to ask each and every one of them. And yeah, for this numpty who said he's going to detain and search me, that's going to be a criminal charge with misfeasance in public office. He's having to be babysat and talk through how to do a search slip.
The form is different.
How would you describe yourself ethnicity-wise?
Told you I'm not answering any questions. So yeah, these guys are part of the PADP, which was Parliamentary and Diplomatic Protection, was it? Yeah, there we go. Just so I know what force to link you guys to. So there we go guys, that's
Here is the glaring inconsistency. The officer suspects the auditor of terrorism, but only wants to scroll through his phone photos. He allows the auditor to reach into his own pockets for a vape, neglecting a basic body search for weapons. If this were a genuine terrorism suspect, failing to secure the person first would be a significant safety breach. The auditor immediately seizes on this contradiction to argue the stop is not genuine.
So let's have a show of hands. Who thinks searching their phone for terrorism before searching their person is a good practice for a police officer? Yeah, no hands. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because you know it's fucking stupid. I don't want to fucking join you, mate. Because you're thugs and tyrants. You abuse your powers.
You come in and make the difference. You come in and make the difference.
Make the difference,
Come in and
mate.
make the difference.
There's not a chance in hell. There's not a chance in hell I would join a corrupt organisation. The biggest gang in the UK, mate. That's you. Biggest gang in the UK. And you have permission to walk around with guns. Fucking ridiculous. Absolute joke. You can just go around abusing people's rights. Abusing your powers. Bear in mind, guys, I wasn't handcuffed, my person wasn't searched. All he wanted to do was look at the footage, and he wanted to see what I was recording around here.
Go there, sir.
Pardon?
Do not go
Why?
there. This is part of the embassy land.
Right?
Okay. So do
Then
not
that's
come
civil
here.
trespass, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's civil trespass. You have no power.
Do not go there.
You have no power over civil
Do not go
trespass.
there.
Don't touch
Seriously,
me.
Do not go there.
Actually, to be fair,
You're doing this purposely.
am I still detained at this point?
Not at the moment.
No? Okay, there we go. I'm not detained. You have no power over civil trespass.
Come off the
No. That's what he wanted to look at my phone, because he wanted to see what I recorded around there when he was literally stood behind me and watched me record it. That's what he's detained me and searched me for. Mate. You stood there and watched me record it, and you wanted to know, and that's the bit you were interested in watching, is what I recorded around there, when you could see what I was recording.
Obviously, what we were filming earlier, we don't know what you've been filming, we don't know what's going on around there. Okay?
Carry on, do you slip?
Yeah.
What's the date?
Go, my friend.
What's it? Pardon?
You're free to go.
I'm waiting for my slip.
Okay.
And if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
By all means.
Absolutely. What's the date and time? Sorry, what's the date today? 30th. And the time is, let's have a look, 1927. Just for the record.
In a strange turn, the officer asks if the auditor wants to join the police force, perhaps trying to build rapport. It backfires spectacularly. The auditor views this as tone deaf, given he feels his rights are currently being violated. This moment highlights the disconnect between the officer's perception of the event as a routine check and the auditor's perception of it as an unlawful detention. The gap between them is now unbridgeable.
So again, they suspect me of being terrorists, but they've got sidearms, obviously holstered and that, but, you know, not cuffed, not searched, not my person.
Cool. Look at that, you.
Absolute dickhead.
Right.
Fuck off.
Is there anything else we can
No,
help
you can
with
fuck
today?
off. Why? Fuck off. No, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to him. No, I don't care about manners. I've just been illegally searched and detained. I don't give a fuck. I don't want to be respectful. You don't deserve respect.
You see, now you're
There's nothing else we need.
You deserve to be in a jail cell, mate. That's what you deserve. And like I said, I will be taking criminal prosecution against you for misfeasance in public office. And I hope you go look that up, what that means, because you'll be shitting your fucking pants.
That's entirely your choice there, isn't it?
Yes.
It's fine. If there's nothing else we can help with today,
Yeah.
that's it. Okay, you obviously been from the embassy trying to get a reaction from us. Okay, I don't know if you got what you wanted.
So somebody comes to London, a tourist hotspot, records interesting sights around London.
Yeah, that's fine. Like I say, all around there is fine, but it's when you come around here, start filming.
But again, put a barrier,
Yeah.
put a gate, put something there.
We'll tell the embassy.
Yeah,
Embassy.
exactly.
We'll tell them.
Okay.
Because you can film it from the front, you know that? You can film it from the front.
I can film it from anywhere I want.
I'm telling you.
Yeah,
film
that's
it from
fine.
the front.
I will. I'm going to carry on and go do my. I'm going to carry on and finish my recording. That's fine.
Do that. Yeah, please do. Well done, man.
Chicken chip.
So who's the most senior out of you four? You all the same rank? All the same. And what rank's that? Constable? PC? PC, yeah. So who's been in the force the longest out of you four? Because that makes, if you're all constables, that makes the most senior. Which one is it?
The auditor introduces the concept of misfeasance in public office, a serious accusation implying the officer is knowingly abusing his power. While the auditor is highly agitated and using strong language, his central point remains valid. If the grounds for the search were flimsy, the detention could be considered unlawful. The officer seems to realize the phone search yielded nothing, and the situation is only damaging public trust.
Makes no difference, does it?
Well, it does. The most.
That's really questions for doing for doing.
No, you don't have to. You're right. Because you have the right to privacy. Ask away.
Thank you.
And I have the right to freedom of expression, Article 10, which is what you've just abused. So not only is it going to be misfeasance of public office, it's going to be an aggravating factor of discrimination because you violated Article 14, which is freedom from discrimination when exercising your rights. So that's going to be an aggravating factor for you.
Okay.
How do you think a cop like you is going to do in jail? Give you 2 days, maybe?
Alright. Well, I'll say you're free to go now.
Yeah, I'm free to say then, aren't I?
Cheers.
Yeah. Bugger off. Fucking idiots. So yeah, again, good job, guys. Just to clarify, not once was hands put on me, not once was my person searched, but yeah, I'm suspected of terrorism, suspected of terrorist activity, but not once was my person searched. What a fucking joke. The smart thing would have been to actually search my person, because he's just fucked up now. What an absolute joke. Don't put hands on me.
Don't go near US property.
Again, public place. Might be trespassing, but you have no power over it. Is that one of yours jackets, or is one of the other two just left it there?
No idea.
No? Okay. Just a random police jacket. There we go, guys. So,
The detention concludes with no arrest and no evidence found. The auditor drives home his main argument. The officers prioritized checking his camera roll over actual public safety. By failing to search his body for weapons while claiming he might be a terrorist, the police inadvertently made the detention appear punitive rather than protective. It leaves the viewer questioning the true motivation behind the stop.
are you that vain? You really want your picture taken that much? You get into modelling, you know, if you like picture taken that much.
Not really.
No? Why not?
It's not for me.
No?
You must have something bad to do.
Nope. No, not at all. What on earth is that? So not only face the Union flag with the blue line, you put a little rat's face on it. It's quite fitting, really. There we go. Yeah, sorry, was it 2857 and yours again, sorry?
2336.
2336, thank you. Just because I didn't get it while my camera was on,
Okay,
so that's all it was. Alrighty, alright.
Several times now.
Pardon?
You've got it several times.
Yeah, that's it. No, I know it's on your footage, but I want it on mine as well. Just makes the process, because I've got to wait forever to get your footage, so it just makes it easier if I've got it on mine. There we go. Alright guys, we're going to leave that one there and carry on with my business after being illegally detained. Left their cup holder in the dash there. Don't know what the SGT and the yellow sticker means, if any of you know. So just so you know guys, public footpath, walking along, this is the area that I filmed. This apparently is a sensitive area with a gate that you can see through. the warrant being detained and searched under Section 43. I can't believe that. Absolutely, I'm gobsmacked. What an incompetent dickhead that constable was. The incompetence of him is just unbelievable. Sorry for all the foul language that you have observed on this video. There we go, guys. As always, like, share and subscribe. And until the next one.
Here's the legal mic drop. Freedom of expression and protection from discrimination. Not just a misstep in procedure. This could become an aggravating factor in a formal complaint. Audience poll. Have you ever thought civil rights could be enforced after an encounter like this? 3 takeaways, folks. Public photography is usually protected. Terrorism stops require concrete suspicion. And consistency and procedure is everything. Ignore any of these, and credibility evaporates. Remember, knowing your rights isn't optional. It's essential.